From Southerness the lantern gleams, guiding ships through weathered dreams. And I rise abune the shoreline, steady, slow. The sands stretch wide in tawny gold, stories whispered, tales untold, where the Solway turns its secrets to the flow. And the wind sings, I carry in echoes of days gone by. Oh, the tideways, oh, the Solway, where the water meets the sky, and the ghosts of smugglers linger when the moon is riding high. I'm flying over memories that the sea will never tell, from Southerness to Castle Point, where the quiet shadows dwell. Castle Point comes into view, cliffs of ochre heather hue, and the rocks that lead to Rough Island lie exposed. A causeway built of mussel shells, hear them crack beneath their spells, as the sea retreats, its restless heart half closed, and the wind keeps time like a drumbeat to the brine. Oh, the tideways, oh, the Solway, where the water meets the sky, and the ghosts of smugglers linger when the moon is riding high. I'm flying over memories that the sea will never tell, from Castle Point to Rockcliffe Shore, where a quiet story fell. Ooh. Beside the path you'll find a grave worn bare by rain and time. Joseph Nelson, sailor bold, lost upon a winter's cold, washed ashore months too late, laid to rest by fate's own weight. We a stone his widow raised, so his name would I be praised. So the tideways, oh, the Solway, where the past still holds its claim, and the wind across the water whispers softly, oh, his name. Oh, the tideways, oh, the Solway, rolling silver, rolling white, trace Southerness to Rockcliffe, I can hear the turning tide. Every wave is a memory, every breeze a farewell sigh, and the Solway keeps its stories neath the ever-changing sky. So I glide abune the coastline, let the shoreline lead me home, where the sea and sky together write the stories of their reign.
There's Rough Island just ahead. It's a tiny tidal island and a protected bird sanctuary. It's peaceful, remote, and easy to miss unless you know what you're looking for. One of the most interesting features is the tidal causeway that links it to the mainland. It's not a man-made path at all. It's formed from rocks, cockle shells, mussel shells, centuries of tide and current slowly building a walkway. At low tide you can cross it on foot, but when the sea comes in, the whole thing disappears completely beneath the water. It's a brilliant reminder of how quickly this coastline changes. In one moment there's a clear route straight out to the island, and a couple of hours later it's gone, swallowed by the Solway again. The island itself sits quietly in the middle of the firth, left mostly to the seabirds and the wind. For such a small place, it adds a real sense of character to this part of the coast. A wee wild outpost shaped entirely by the tides.
By Rockcliffe Shore the morning glows, a hush across the firth that only sea winds know. And Rough Island awaits, say still, say small, a quiet wee haven by the water's call. The causeway shines with shells and stone, a path the tide will claim as its own. And I wonder where the whispers of the sea, as the Solway keeps its history. Oh, lead me on where the tides rise and fade, where the gulls cry and the memories draw. From Rough Island's peace to the wide open bay, we'll follow the shoreline, the long gentle way. For the journey's no done, and the coast carries on. Frae Rockcliffe to Horse Isles, the tide sings its song, and onward we'll fly through the wind and the light, till Long Ernest Point greets the end of the night. The mussel shells crack soft beneath, where the causeway fades to the water's teeth. And the island heaves where your breath stays slow. Garden birds in the heathers glow. Then back across the sands I roam. Rockcliffe's cottage is calling me home, but the horizon beckons wide and clear, for the next stretch of shoreline is drawing near. Oh, lead me on where the tides rise and fade, where the gulls cry and the memories draw. From Rough Island's peace to the wide open bay, we'll follow the shoreline, the long gentle way. For the journey's no done, and the coast carries on. Frae Rockcliffe to Horse Isles, the tide sings its song, and is a place that mends. Free rough islands calm to the cliffs far beyond. We're bound to the coast by a